Good morning all. Now in this class we will study about EEG. EEG is nothing but electroencephalogram. Electroencephalography is the study of electrical activities of brain. Same like as we study the electrical activities of heart through ECG. So similarly here we will study about the electrical activity of brain through EEG. Electroencephalogram is the graphical recording of electrical activities of brain. Electrical activity of the brain is complicated when compared to that of a single nerve or neuron. It is due to the involvement of large number of neurons and synapses. As brain has got large number of neurons and many synapses, so its electrical activity is very difficult to understand. The German scientist by name Hans Berger was the first one to analyze the EEG waves systematically, and hence the EEG waves are referred as Berger waves. The significance of EEG: electroencephalogram is useful in the diagnosis of neurological disorders and sleep disorders. EEG pattern is altered in the following neurological disorders. Like first is epilepsy, disorders of midbrain affecting ascending reticular activating system, subdural hematoma, during which there is collection of blood in the subdural space over the cerebral cortex. Method of recording EEG: electroencephalograph is the instrument used to record EEG. The electrodes, called scalp electrodes, from the instrument are placed over the unopened skull or over the brain after opening the skull or by piercing into the brain. Normally or usually they are placed on unopened skull only. The different types of waves of EEG. There are basically three types of EEG waves are there, and fourth one waves is also there here. The first one is alpha rhythm, second one is beta rhythm, and third one is delta rhythm. In addition to these three types of waves, there is one more wave which is seen especially in children, which is called as theta waves. Here in this diagram you can see alpha waves. You can see how they are. Their frequency is very fast, but the amplitude is less here. Frequently the waves are coming with lesser altitude. Suddenly if there is a back, and these waves are obtained only when the eyes are closed during sleep. Beta waves you can see here, their frequency is very fast, amplitude is also less here. Frequency is too much here. You can see these are beta waves. These are delta waves you can see, but frequency is less here and amplitude is slightly higher here. You can see these are delta waves, and this one is theta waves. Here you can see amplitude is also less and frequency is also less here. So we will see in detail about these waves. First one is alpha rhythm. Alpha rhythm consists of rhythmical waves which appear at a frequency of 8 to 12 waves per second with the amplitude of 50 micron volt. Alpha waves are synchronized waves. Alpha rhythm is obtained in inattentive brain or mind, as in drowsiness, light sleep, or narcosis with closed eyes. It is abolished by visual stimuli or any other type of stimuli or by mental effort. So it is diminished when eyes are opened. So these waves will appear only when the eyes are closed, and these waves will disappear when the eyes open. Next one is beta rhythm. Beta rhythm includes high frequency waves of 15 to 60 per second, but the amplitude is low, that is 5 to 10 microvolt. Their frequency is very high, but the amplitude is low, as we have seen here in the diagram. Here these are beta waves. You can see the frequency, so frequently they are coming, but their amplitude is low. Beta waves are desynchronized waves. Beta rhythm is recorded during mental activity or mental tension or arousal state. It is not affected by opening the eyes. The next one is delta rhythm. Delta rhythm it includes waves with low frequency and high amplitude. Here we have seen these are the waves with low frequency and high amplitude. These are delta waves. Delta waves, they have their frequency is low and amplitude is high. These are delta waves or delta rhythm. These waves have the frequency of 1 to 2 per second with the amplitude of 20 to 200 microvolt. It is common in early childhood during waking hours. In adults, it appears mostly during deep sleep. Presence of delta waves in adults during conditions other than sleep indicates the pathological process in brain like tumor, epilepsy, increased intracranial pressure, and mental deficiency or depression. These waves are not affected by opening the eyes. Then the fourth type of waves are theta waves. Theta waves are obtained generally in children below 5 years of age. These waves are of low frequency and low voltage. We have seen here these are of low frequency and low voltage. Here you can see these are theta waves. Their frequency is also less and their amplitude is also less. These waves are of low frequency and low voltage. Frequency of theta waves is 4 to 8 per second and the amplitude is about 10 micron volt. So this is about the EEG or electroencephalograph.